Beauty Forever Hair said, say bye-bye to the knots and hello to a baddie, okay? This unit is coming up out the scalp, and I cannot wait to share her with you. Adds to the naturalness of this unit that I don't think we get anywhere else. Like, she is stunning. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig. So this is the back, okay? She's given my hair, which I love. Y'all know I love a moment like that. I love a 20-inch bop. I think it's so worth it. The price point on this, I think, is also pretty good. I really don't have any complaints about this unit, except for I think that it should be thicker. But that's a personal preference. I don't think that takes any knocks or, you know, notches off of this belt. In truth, I would give this unit... This is very close to a 10. I probably would give it like an 8.5 out of 10. It's not much I don't like about it. The texture, it feels a little, don't love that, but the hair is soft. So there's some things to work on. However, it's nothing that can't be fixed. This unit is phenomenal. Because at the end of the day, I'm telling you to buy this hoe. At the end of the day, baby, I'm telling you to buy this hoe. Now, I'm going to shut my mouth and take my mouth. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Okay, my loves, now that we have got this unit on our head, let me take you on into the details of this beautiful Beauty Forever Hair Bye Bye Knots 7x5 lace wig. Okay, so this is a pre-cut lace kinky straight wig. So the lace is already cut for you. We already have it pre-plucked. She's already bleached. She's rearing and ready to go. Okay, this unit is 20 inches long. 20 inches. Now I'm going to go on through. I'm just making sure that I curl this unit up. I didn't want to give her too much of a style, but more something that looks very natural. Just very much like, okay, effortless, but is that her hair? Okay, you picking up what I'm putting to you? Effortless, but that's out the scalp. Effortless, but mine. You picking up what I'm putting to you? So I'm using my duck clips. You'll be able to find these on my Amazon shop just to secure the curls, as well as the Pump It Up Gold Super Hold Spray. I love the smell of this. It smells like an old school hair salon up in here, and I'm too hype about it, okay? I also am using my Babyless wand curlers to get these curls together. Now, you saw me secure this wig, and what I used was the Bold Hold Lace Jelly. The Bold Hold Lace Jelly is for glueless daily hold. This unit is still glueless, guys. Okay, still very much glueless. I just wanted to make sure that the lace was absolutely gone because I wanted this to be a seamless install. I actually don't even want to take this wig up off my head. I have to do more videos today and I just don't want to because I just think this is me. Like, this is so me. So this unit I have in 20 inches. Again, like I said before, she is the 7x5. What's calling me? Like I said before, this is a 7x5. Okay, bye knot wig. I have her in 20 inches. And for 20 inches at 150% density with the Yaki Straight texture, this unit is going for, ooh, y'all have to buy this wig. Y'all have to buy this wig. Oh my goodness. I'm doing this in real time. Like I literally just scrolled up. Usually I have my notes on my desk, but today I'm just scrolling up. $130 for 20-inch wig. You can't beat that with a Mamie Tatum bit. And y'all saw she's rearing and ready to go. All I did was add a little bit of heat to mother. A little bit of heat. I darkened up my lace part, okay, because that was just necessary stuff to do. And now we have an absolute masterpiece. I am super surprised by this price, guys. Y'all have to grab this wig. Like, y'all have to grab this wig. If you're looking for something that's affordable, the texture, at first I felt like it was a little bit, and I still kind of feel this way. It's a little, there's ways to soften up your unit. You know what I mean? That I did not take the time. I didn't co-wash this or anything, which you should. I really just threw this up on my Mamie Tatum head. But this unit is absolutely, oh my God. Ew. I'm sorry. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. So I really am excited about this. Again, this unit didn't shed too much. She didn't tangle. I did use some product on her. I think that she really, this is wide tooth comb, guys, just to kind of, if you want to tease your curls a bit. I really love what Beauty Forever Hair did with this unit. I cannot complain. She's absolutely everything and more. I'm going to shut my Mamie Tatum mouth. I'm going to continue to get this unit together for you all. We're just going to make sure we add a little bit of color to our part to define it using our, oh my goodness, where did it go? I didn't even move anything of this stuff. But I use the Black Radiance palette that I always use, the Black Radiance contour palette. So I'll make sure. It's right here next to me. The Black Radiance Contour Palette, which is absolutely phenomenal. Make sure you guys check that out. Let me know what you guys are thinking. $130. This is price to move, guys. This is price to sell. 20 inches for $130, baby. We did the thing, can't do no more. Now, I'm going to shut my Mamie Tatum mouth. I'll give my actual final thoughts on what I rate this video on the other side. Yes. The answer is yes. Beauty Forever Hair has been coming through and giving me just banger after banger. I love this hair. I love the length. She's 20 inches of love, sex, and magic. I think she's absolutely stunning, okay? Like, absolutely stunning. Y'all know I like a little flat head. I want it to look like it's coming out the scalp. But look at this, y'all. She is beautiful. And all we did was, I just put some like, what do I like to call it? Like effortless curls. Like, just really wanted to give her a little body, a little movement. That's all. Nothing too pronounced or anything like that. This unit is stunning. The curls took beautifully. Like, I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. I feel like she's coming out of my actual scalp, like, which also I love. And I'm only putting spritz down the middle because I want to just define the parting space a bit more than what it already is. But y'all, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now, this gel bold hold lace jelly is literally used not to glue down the lace, but to make it more invisible, which I think that's what's been done here. I love this unit. God damn it. I really like it, but I knew I was going to like it. So, you know, props to Beauty Forever Hair. I actually knew I was going to absolutely positively love it. I'm just tightening up this curl, guys, which I probably did it the wrong way, and I did. I'm really into this unit. I think this unit is absolutely beautiful. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair. They've really been coming through and just providing us with banger after banger. Now, this unit is very lightweight. Part of me wishes it was a bit thicker. However, the lightweight texture adds to the naturalness of this unit that I don't think we get anywhere else. Like, she is stunning. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig. So this is the back, okay? She's given my hair, which I love. Y'all know I love a moment like that. I love a 20-inch bob. I think it's so worth it. The price point on this, I think, is also pretty good. I really don't have any complaints about this unit, except for I think that it should be thicker. But that's a personal preference. I don't think that takes any knocks or, you know, notches off of this belt. In truth, I would give this unit... This is very close to a 10. I probably would give it like an 8.5 out of 10. It's not much I don't like about it. The texture, it feels a little, don't love that, but the hair is soft. So